Let me walk you through how to add bleed to your designs so you can print edge to edge without any unwanted white borders showing up on your finished piece. First, go ahead and either start a new design or open up one you're already working on. At the top of your screen, you'll find the File menu. Click on that, and then select View Settings from the drop-down. In the View Settings panel, look for the option labeled Show Print Bleed, and give that a click. You'll notice dashed lines now appear around the edges of your canvas. These guidelines show you the bleed area where your design should extend. Take your background elements and expand them outward to fill those white gaps beyond the dashed lines. This ensures your design bleeds off the edge properly. Perfect. With your bleed area now covered, we're ready to export. Click the Share button in the top right corner. From the sharing options that appear, select Download. For the file type, you'll want to choose PDF Print, which is specifically formatted for professional printing. This is important. Make sure you check the box for crop marks and bleed. This tells the printer exactly where to trim your design. Go ahead and click Download. Your file will now include those crop marks and bleed settings, ensuring your printed piece looks exactly how you designed it with no white edges. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to add bleed to any design and export it ready for professional printing.